Demonstrating ProJoint Fusion. Step 1. Liberally soak the paving area and empty the bag mix evenly onto the surface. Step 2. Quickly work the product into the joints using a squeegee or brush. 3. Mist with a soft spray of water to flush the material down into the joints. Top up any low joints and repeat as necessary. 4. Remove all excess material by sweeping the paving with a clean, soft brush diagonally to the joints. A trowel or iron can be used to achieve a traditional finish. Finally, fill the tub, covering any unused product with water and firmly secure the lid to reuse up to 1 month later. ProJoint Fusion can be used in light rain, pre-mixed, fast and easy to use, high-strength formula and cement-free. Available in 4 colors. Before application, please read the product instructions and requirements in full for use when surface temperatures are between 3 and 25 degrees centigrade. Suitable for all natural stone and concrete pedestrian areas. For sensitive and extra porous stones, we recommend using ProJoint pre-grout sealant. Think paving, think ProJoint. Thanks for watching.